Hey guys, and welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. This is a how to make French toast vlog, guys, a cooking vlog. And if you're new on my channel, on our channel, this family channel with family content, please guys, subscribe. This is my crazy big black family. So what I am doing is I actually mix some eggs. I use 2 eggs inside of my bowl, and I put milk inside of the mixture. I mix that up, and right now I'm showing you that I'm going to be using 100% butter. The butter is going to be used to coat my griddle that I'm going to be cooking my French toast on. Now a lot of times I also will take a little bit of butter and I'll melt it in a cup and I'll pour it actually in my egg mixture that I have with my milk and my eggs. But this time I'm going to go for my simple method, which is to coat my pan with the butter, so that once I coat the pan with the butter, you will be able to taste the enhanced flavor of the French toast that is followed by that butter. When I tell you butter is a flavor enhancer, salt is a flavor enhancer, butter is a flavor enhancer, olive oil is a flavor enhancer. Take notes, guys, because if you use any of those 3 things, it will enhance the flavor in whatever you're cooking moving forward. So now I've coated my pan with some butter, and I'm going to use some sandwich bread. Now the difference between sandwich bread and round top bread is because the sandwich bread appears to be a little bit more stiffer and it holds my egg yolk a little bit better. So when making, French toast, you want to have a nice solid bread. Some people use Texas toast, some people use, a thicker kind of bread, and this is because it will hold the egg yolk. You don't want to use a flimsy cheap kind of bread, because the egg yolk will make it break up. So the sandwich bread, tends to hold it really, really good. And so what I do is I take 2 pieces, I hold another piece underneath the first piece, and that's to catch the extra egg yolk that drips down. Then I use my hand as a catch after I put that first piece of bread inside of the griddle. That's what I just did, and that's a little hack so that you don't have to create such a messy situation. I'm going to run this back again for you guys in slow motion, and for the beginners out there, please enjoy. So I dip the bread, which is the sandwich bread, inside of my egg yolk batter, which was made with just milk and eggs. In my pan, I put the bread on, which is coated with 100% butter. I coated my pan with the butter, and I placed the eggs, the bread inside the egg yolk. I take 2 pieces of bread. I use my hand as a catch for the first piece of the bread as a catch for the first part of the place, and then after that, first the 1 piece of bread is inside, I'll use my hand as the second catch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my flame. I got it at a low to medium. I don't want it too high, I don't want it too low, I want it just right. I'm looking for a brown texture for my French toast, a nice golden brown, so that when I present and plate this, it will be absolutely beautiful, and the taste of it will be absolutely stunning from the butter. The butter will brown it. So again, I encourage to use 100% butter to brown your griddle, and also use it for flavoring. So what I also do, once my French toast is on the griddle and it starts to brown on both sides, I do this. I'll take my butter and I'll just slightly glide it over the French toast, just so that I can even more. Before I take those French toasts off the griddle, it will also have a more enhanced butter flavor. I'm also going to coat the pan some more, so that butter can just brown my edges of my French toast, brown underneath the French toast, and soak through, so that that flavoring of that French toast is going to be one that you will never forget. When I tell you you want to try this at home, look at that, guys. Do you see that French toast? Do you see it? Around the edges, you see it nice and beautiful golden brown. Look at it, not too dark. And look at that. Voila! Beautiful, beautiful golden brown French toast made by my crazy big black family. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.